I just received this in the mail, or from Amazon, and this is all the pieces I need to fix the dryer, I think. Yep. And this is the heating element right here, and these are the two contacts right there. Also comes with extra fuses, and we're going to see if we can connect all this stuff. But basically, you can tell which one goes where. Let's just go ahead and open them up. There's the one fuse, right? And it's good to get all of them. Sometimes you could just buy the heating element, but you don't know. Maybe one of the fuses is bad, and that's what you need to replace. So I'm just going to show you how to do the continuity check on them. These are all fuses, so we can check all of them right now. Let's just go ahead and set them there. So let's take a look at this. You can see, let's make sure none of the wires are broken. So this is the heating element for that Samsung, and it should work perfectly in there. And all we got to do is take the Samsung apart and put this thing in. See all the ceramic around it? So let's just set it there. And those are our little parts that we may or may not need. We'll see once we get it all hooked up, these different sensors. All right.